The Bronx Chamber of Commerce held a workshop in response to the Bronx's continual growth. Right now, the Bronx has a population of about 1.4 million, making it the fastest growing county in the state. City Planning Bronx Borough Director Carol Samuel spoke about the importance of planning in the Bronx, supporting local neighborhoods, and how transit investments will help to build a quality of life for Bronxites.
The Bronx Chamber of Commerce is a really important audience for understanding the growth and future of the Bronx. And we wanted to share some of the facts that we know, but also some of the very serious planning work that's underway in the borough to make sure that we're ready for new Metro North service, as well as capitalizing on existing infrastructure. We're really planning, 40, 50 years out to make sure that the Bronx can remain a sustainable, attractive place to live with a quality of life.
The MTA has committed $1.5 billion for 4 Metro North stations. Service from Hunts Point, Parkchester, Morris Park, and Co-op City will allow for faster commute times in and out of the borough.
Whether we're going to Penn Station or Connecticut, or people who are coming here to work. You could do a lot in 90 minutes in any one day. Cook dinner, enjoy your children, exercise, all of the things, sleep, all of the things that we could do in our daily lives other than commute.
The census plays a major role in the development of the Bronx, and all were encouraged to take part, not just for themselves, but their employees as well.
For the Bronx, more so this year than ever, is we depend on federal funds to be able to do everything we're doing, and that only happens if the census are filled out. Like, everybody's counted. And of course, there's all these worries and rumors and misconceptions about what that means. It really, all it is you're filling out and you're saying, I'm present.
The future of the Bronx is bright, and you can get in on the planning by joining your local community boards and staying informed. For Bronxnet, I'm Veronica Güity.